Hey, how's it going, guys? Jay here from realbrosautopros and alloy gators. Today we're gonna be doing a replacement on these alloy gators. If you guys want to come take a look, right here the owner of this vehicle says, you know, these alloy gators aren't strong enough for me. So we're gonna end up replacing this so they look newer. Of course, there's nothing wrong with these alloy gators except for, like I said, the gentleman wants newer. Now on the back of the car, you'll check it out. What ended up happening back here is that there was an accident where the alloy gator was absolutely destroyed and the wheel was absolutely destroyed. So they ended up removing it at the dealership. But what's gonna end up happening is that this is gonna be going through warranty and it's gonna be paid off, and we're about to apply a new one. And it should cover all this right here that, as you can tell, it's extremely destroyed. But let's do the front one first. You gotta make sure that you put the tabs on your alloy gator. Now, the alloy gators come with a 1-year warranty against fading. So if you guys ever notice that on your alloy gator, be sure to let us know. We can send you one back right away. Look at the damage that the alloy gator has been saving. It's an absolute best choice award right here. You gotta get yourself some alloy gators, people. Put a little bit of lubricant so the alloy gator slides in a little bit easier, but most of the time it's not necessary. Now we're always gonna start right here. Now, the thing that nobody tells you about is you're not only protecting the edge of the rim, but also the inside of the rim against curbs, any type of slash that might come to it. It's gonna be protected. Put this back in there, and let's start putting some air in there after I cut it. You also want to make sure that your car, especially if it's a Tesla, it has to be in tow mode. And that's as simple as going into the Tesla, clicking service, and clicking tow mode. Alright, and it seems like around right here we're gonna be totally completely fine. So let's cut it. Now this, you're not gonna need no more. And this goes right below right here. So you can see it's very easy. Almost pushing it in with my finger. Now, you are gonna have to fill it back up to around 15 to 20 psi, and do it another time. Let's go. Let's put around 20 psi in there. All right, it seems like we're about at 20 right there. So we're gonna give it another quick pushing. And there we go. As you can see, it's nice and flush with the wheel. Very nicely done. Gotta love the alloy gators. They're awesome. All right, now we're gonna go back to 42 psi, which is the standard psi for Teslas. That's what I've noticed. I've done Model Ys and Model 3s, and they're both 42 for some reason. And it also seems like the issue is that the Teslas, the tire, they don't have that much, what do you call it? So much width at the end. So they're always getting scraped up. And because of the, I don't know what material the Tesla rims are made out of, but they always have this type of white edge after you scrape them, and they look horrible, absolutely horrific. Alrighty, it seems like we're about it right there. Yep, perfect. Now let me quickly make sure that this is nice and tight. Perfect. Let's get my towel, give the edge a nice wipe, make sure it looks nice again. These alloy gators, you never have to do anything special to them, just clean them with some soapy water or some Solvent X. You can find it at your local car wash shop, car wash store. And we're gonna apply a little bit of super glue right on the inside, about 3 dabs. There we go. There, one right there, and one right there. Perfect. Now we're gonna put it on there. Let's see. And you want to just hold it down for about 5 seconds. You should be all good, guys. Perfect. Now you never want to forget to put back this little cap that goes on the pressure gauge. So after you do that, guys, you want to put the Tesla down slowly and you're all done. That's how you install an alloy gator, guys.